Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of dynamic lighting not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to search. Search for dynamic lighting in the Windows search bar and click on this option. Now, it says no dynamic lighting compatible devices detected. This is where everything goes blank because now dynamic lighting will not work. And this is why I do not suggest solutions from other websites and channels, because they will try to push you towards fixing issues with dynamic lighting even though it says it's incompatible here. And obviously you need to make sure that the switch is on. So this switch should be on, then there should be no such signal here. If this is also sorted out, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Now this is also important. Why? Because dynamic lighting is a relatively new feature and you need to update your Windows computer to the latest version to make sure that it works. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.